How's it going, everyone? There are a ton of quality espresso machines on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best espresso machines in 2022. I've made this list based on overall quality, ease of use, price versus performance, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget machine that can reliably brew a solid cup of coffee or the best espresso machine you can currently get, we'll have the espresso machine for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're someone who wants a simple, easy-to-use, and affordable espresso machine, the Nespresso Essenza Mini might just be the perfect option for you and is my pick as the best budget espresso machine in 2022. The Nespresso Essenza is designed to be the ideal choice for a first-time espresso machine owner or anyone that's shopping on a budget. It's an easy-to-use machine that produces impressive espresso drinks considering the price, and it comes with a relatively compact build to save counter space. It has a compact build that's ideal for smaller spaces, and it only weighs around 9 pounds, so you can easily move it around your kitchen. It has a solid body made from plastic, and it comes in several color variants to match your style. It has a removable water tank with a 40-ounce capacity for easy cleaning, a lever on top to open or close the capsule compartment, and a drip tray on the front. The cleanup process is also minimal and user-friendly, and it comes with a solid 2-year warranty. It utilizes centrifusion technology to deliver consistent brews, and it automatically adapts brewing parameters, such as the temperature, pressure, and brewing time to each capsule for optimal results. Unfortunately, it's only compatible with Nespresso capsules, but will have an option with more versatility later on. It has 2 buttons to control the power and select your cup size, and it's capable of brewing single and double shots, although some competitors like the Breville Bambino Plus have more in-depth customization and better versatility. It delivers a solid 19 bars of pressure, which produces a full-bodied espresso that's ideal for casual enjoyers. At the end of the day, all the products we mention are going to brew satisfying espresso drinks. What sets the Essenza apart is its ease of use, simple design, and affordability. It doesn't have the same high-end performance as the Breville The Barista Express, but if you're someone who lives by themselves, doesn't want to spend lots of money, and wants a consistently good-tasting brew, this might be the ideal product for you. For anyone who wants a reasonably priced espresso machine that can brew a cup of coffee that's comparable to more expensive options, the Mr. Coffee Café Barista provides a lot of value and is a great espresso machine to consider. Not everyone can afford high-end models that produce restaurant-quality beverages, but the Mr. Coffee Café Barista offers similar performance for a much lower price. It comes with a removable water reservoir that's easy to clean and a built-in milk frother for lattes or cappuccinos. It has a sleek, modern design, and it's available in 3 color variants to match your kitchen's decor. I like that the machine has clearly labeled buttons for various drinks and automatic or manual modes for ease of use. Unlike the Essenza, it comes with a built-in milk frother to make a wider range of drinks, and it's removable, so you can store unused milk in the fridge. The water reservoir is also removable for hassle-free cleaning, but it isn't dishwasher-friendly. It comes with 2 drip trays to accommodate full-sized or smaller cups, and you get an included tamper for the grinds, but it's made from relatively flimsy plastic. It offers semi-automatic functionality for user convenience, a decent heating and brewing speed to deliver quick results, and it can make single or double-shot espresso beverages with a one-touch control panel. I like that the milk frother has an integrated knob to control how much froth goes into your drink. It has an electric pump that generates around 15 bars of pressure, which helps extract bold and rich flavors during the brewing cycle, but you can't customize how much water is added to shots. You also get a user-friendly automatic shut-off function to conserve power. It doesn't quite offer the professional-grade espresso as my top choice, the Rancilio Silvia Pro Dual Boiler, but it does an excellent job considering the price. If you're looking for an espresso machine that can reliably make most drinks and delivers a consistent brew that can save you a trip to your local cafe, this might be the best option available. Some users might not need modern features and would prefer a classic machine that brews excellent coffee. The Breville Bambino Plus is my choice as the best traditional espresso machine in 2022. Traditional espresso machines offer an easy way to brew beverages, and the Bambino features high-quality parts and intuitive controls, which makes it ideal for beginners and more advanced users. It also comes with some features that are rare in this price range, so it provides solid value. It has a slim design that's made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel. It has a compact footprint, but it's lightweight and might move around when you insert portafilters. I like that it has intuitive controls and only has options to produce a single shot, a double shot, and a button to steam the milk, so it's suitable for first-time users. The automatic milk frother is a standout feature that consistently steams milk to an optimal temperature, and it comes with a convenient auto-cleaning function, although the drip tray needs to be drained relatively frequently. It also comes with a tamper, a trimming tool, a 480 milligram milk jug, and a removable water reservoir. I believe the performance and strong, full-bodied, and well-balanced espresso shots set it apart from other traditional competitors. It comes with some outstanding features that are typically found on premium models like the Breville Barista Express, such as customizable pre-infusion times to ensure a consistent flow rate for your grind or roast. While a built-in grinder would have been nice, it utilizes thermojet technology that quickly reaches an appropriate temperature and digital temperature controls to optimize extraction. You also get standard baskets that allow advanced users to change the grind size, tamping pressure, and portafilter load, along with double-walled baskets for beginners or less precise grinds. The Breville Bambino Plus is the best traditional espresso machine on the market and delivers a superior brew to the previously mentioned Mr. Coffee Café Barista. It has an automatic milk frother that's easy to use, customizable pre-infusion times to optimize flavor extraction, and solid heating speeds to quickly brew your favorite drinks. Now, for anyone that's looking for the espresso machine with the best blend of brew quality, customizable settings, and additional quality-of-life features, the Breville The Barista Express is my choice as the best overall espresso machine in 2022. Freshly ground beans can provide a better tasting flavor profile, and the semi-automatic Barista Express has a built-in grinder and outstanding performance to optimize the brew quality. It also has many customizable settings to ensure you get high-quality espresso beverages each time. It has a sophisticated build that's made from high-quality stainless steel for durability. I like that it's designed with the user in mind and features several conveniently placed additions, such as a steam wand with a 360-degree swivel and a detachable tamper that provides greater control over pressure. It has a built-in conical burr grinder with a solid half-pound capacity that conveniently places grounds into the portafilter, along with a 67-ounce water reservoir that's larger than competitors like the Breville Bambino Plus. Unfortunately, it must be cleaned after every use to maintain performance, but it has several useful alerts to notify you when specific parts must be cleaned and many included cleaning tools. It delivers high-quality drinks at impressive speeds, and you get a useful razor tool for increased precision. It features a low-pressure pre-infusion to ensure a balanced flavor profile, reduce bitterness, and consistently pull shots with an appropriate water volume. I also like that it has more in-depth customizable settings than the previously mentioned options, so you can adjust the grind size, grind amount, and tamp pressure to suit your preferences and roast. The filter size button is another user-friendly addition that offers 1 or 2 cup options to control how much you brew. The Barista Express is the best overall espresso machine because of its outstanding performance, balanced flavor profile, and exceptional control over brewing parameters. It's an easy-to-use machine that combines several essential accessories into a single convenient option and can quickly brew high-quality espresso drinks. Next up, we have a heavy-duty espresso machine that's designed for professional use and delivers a class-leading restaurant-quality brew. The Rancilio Silvia Pro Dual Boiler is my choice as the best commercial-grade espresso machine in 2022. The Rancilio Silvia is a high-end option that won't look out of place in a cafe or on your countertop. While it's expensive compared to other options, it's surprisingly affordable considering the professional-grade brew quality and consistent performance with any espresso-based beverage. It has a compact design that's made from a corrosion-resistant stainless steel frame for added durability, and it features multiple commercial-grade components to consistently deliver restaurant-quality brews. I like that it has a digital display with several useful features, including temperature level readings, water level alerts, and a convenient wake-up function at a preset time. It has PID controls in the coffee boiler and the steam boiler to keep a consistent temperature, and both can be adjusted by single degrees for greater precision. The 67-ounce water reservoir provides ample capacity for busier workloads, although it can't be removed for easy cleaning or refilling. It also lacks a built-in grinder, but it features a high-quality milk frother, and it comes with a scoop for measuring grinds and a professional black wood tamper. I believe the dual boiler is a standout feature which provides independent electronic temperature regulation and allows you to brew coffee and steam milk simultaneously. It offers an involved approach that's ideal for advanced users or coffee professionals, but the process might be too complicated for beginners. The steam wand also delivers class-leading functionality, a complete range of motion, and precise steaming pressure adjustments. Unfortunately, the 3.5-minute warm-up time is relatively slow, but it has a hot water dispenser that's adequate for making tea or Americanos. The Rancilio Silvia Pro Dual Boiler is an outstanding professional-grade option that performs better than every other option on this list. This is an ideal option if you're starting your own business or a coffee aficionado who needs the best tasting espresso on the market and can afford the expensive price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.